Well, praise God. We're at the beach. We're at South. We're at South.
Huh?
We're at South Carlsbad State Beach.
State Beach.
And we're going down all these steps. So y'all gotta come here and get on down all these steps. Okay, here we go. Be careful. South Carlsbad State Beach is where we're at. It's a great place to come for tranquility. It's beautiful out here. Anthony, he's all the way down already. I'm going to go hold on to the rail. For tranquility, peace, lower your blood pressure. Joy. Woo, Lord. So we stay back over here. This is a little spooky. Anthony got on that rail. I'm going to stand over here and hold on to the rail and go down. Now come on with me, go down the steps. What y'all doing up there? I'm gonna zoom in on. Hey there, mighty women of valor. I see you.